Here we are in my favorite place, the bathroom. And I had made a previous video under condo rehab about trying to get these pesky glass doors clean. You can clean and clean and clean and clean, and I don't care what you use, it always is going to look like you've got marks on the doors. And I showed you a couple different ways how to do it. I took a razor blade to it, and that took off, if you got a whole lot of stuff, that took off some. And I also used some simple green and a scouring pad. I also did that. That got off some too. You can use elbow grease until the cows come home. And then you can buy some stuff. You can buy stain remover stuff in a little tub at the hardware store. I don't know. I've never tried that. I don't know if it would work or not. And funny thing, the other day I got a call. Well, I got a message on my YouTube channel where I show how to clean a toilet with a pumice stone. You know, the inside ring around the collar and stuff. And she said, funny thing, you can use a wet pumice stone and get off the hard water marks on your glass doors. Now, look how clean this glass door is. I don't even know if you can see any marks on it now. Okay? And it used to look like this over here. I'm hoping you can see that. I'm hoping you can see that, how it's discolored. There's marks on the door, on the glass, and it's all discolored there. And I'm going to show you how to clean that. Let's see if I can't. I know I have to do this over here in the shower. Let's see if this glass door shows up better on the video. I can see all of the film stuff all over. Now, granted, I haven't washed this glass door yet, but I have a feeling once I clean it all, I'm still going to see a haze on it from the hard water. Well, if you want to know an easier way to do it, and it's not very expensive either, stick around and I'll show you on this video. All right, Joe, what's the secret? What's the $100,000 question? Answer to the question. Kaboom. Steel wool. Now this pack happens to be a multi-grade. It includes 3 grades. And I've been using this one here. I have no idea how they're going to tell you which grade. Maybe the coarse is the top one, and middle, medium, fine. But I just took the first one out of this bag. This thing cost me, flexible abrasive steel wool, multi-grade. That cost me, I don't know, $3. And the trick with this stuff is you want to get it wet a little bit. And that's all I'm going to do. Now you're not going to be able to see me exactly do this, you know, but I'm just going to get some of it wet. And you can see I've been using it. I've used this for the rest of this glass door. The edge of this inside panel on both sides, and this outside, both sides, this outside, both sides. That glass looks like it's brand new, even though it's 20 years old. And it used to have all this hard water marks on it. You just take this and just start wiping it. Use some good old elbow grease, and you'll be able to tell when you get it off, because you'll feel that it's nice and smooth. But then when you hit it, you're going to feel a little abrasive there. And I'm just doing it in circular motions. And I did most of the glass on the inside of this already. And I'm even going to go on the outside of that little stainless steel nib right there. And work it so that you can see in the light that is coming off. And you're just going to want to put some elbow grease on there and wipe it around, okay? I mean, it's not rocket science here, but if you don't know the proper thing to use, the good old steel wool, you may be questioning and racking your head, how am I going to get that stuff off? Now, I'm getting this condo ready to sell. I could have done this a couple years ago when we lived at this condo for about a year. I should have done it. You know how whenever you get ready to sell something, you start cleaning it up then? Like a house or a car. And you never take care of it when you have it. I see there's some right there. Yeah, this door flops around too because there should be a divider piece at the bottom. Somehow it's not on anymore. And you know, if we were gonna still live here and not sell, I would have taken this whole system down. It's only attached with 3 screws. One there, one in the middle, one at the bottom on both sides. Undo that, pull that out. It's attached with silicone. It's only attached with silicone down at the bottom. Scrape all that stuff out, and then I would put a curved shower rod there and be done with it. You know, but as it is, hey, we're not going to do that. I'm just leaving this the way it is. Okay? Let the next person deal with it, or through escrow, I'll tell the realtor what to tell somebody, but he may not have to tell him anything. I was going to tell him, well, yeah, there's hard watermarks on there, but if they want, they could take this whole thing down and do exactly what I was saying. And if he says, hey, somebody will buy it if you do that, hey, I don't have a problem with that. I'll do that for him. If it means selling the condo, right? See, once you wipe it, then you can see if you've missed anything. And I'm not sure how well that's going to show up on film, but on camera. But man, that looks like a brand new glass from just being installed. Like I say, I don't know if you'll see it. Can you see where I stopped right in here? And then it's discolored down in here from here down to there. So I'm going to work on it a little bit more. And then I'm going to look at the doors one last time, give it a good work through, and use my razor blade if I have to, and clean the trim and everything. I've already done that before a couple years ago. You get a little toothbrush, get your simple green in there, go away and have at it for a couple hours, and your doors can look just as clean as that. Okay, I'm gonna spend a few more minutes getting the rest of that off and show you what it looks like when I'm done.